Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 10 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3174, clear digits. So in this problem you are given a string S. Okay, your task is to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. Okay, we have to delete the first digit, okay, and the closest known digit character to its left. We have to return the resulting string after removing all digits. Okay, so let's suppose you have one string like this: A, B, then C, okay, then Z, then here there is one digit, okay, let's say 9. So what you are going to do, as soon as you find one digit, okay, you are going to delete the nearest character to its left. Okay, delete the first digit and closest known digit character to its left. Okay, so we have to just delete this jet. Okay, closest to its left. So my output is going to be ABC. That's it. Okay, so now see this example: ABC, there are no digits, so out this is going to be my output. That's it. Okay, now see this CB3 4. Okay, so we find this 3, okay, at index 2. So nearest is this B, so I'm going to delete this. So now we are left with C4. Okay, now I move further, I find this 4. Okay, so now I'm going to delete this 4 and C. Okay, so then we apply this operation on SO1 and my S becomes empty. Okay, so we are turning empty state. Okay, and constant size is very small, right? S consists of only lowercase English letters and digits, and the input generated that it is possible to delete all the digits. Okay, so this is given to us, so it's very easy, right? We can simply use stack. Okay, this is what comes to my mind first. Okay, so we have this CB, then 3 and 4. Okay, so first this is a character, so I'm going to add that to stack. This is character, I'm going to add that to stack. Then this is digit, so what I'm going to do, instead of inserting this, I will check if my stack is empty or not. If it is not empty, then just pop the topmost element from the stack. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Then I move further, I reaches here, so this is also a digit. Okay, so I'm going to check if my stack is empty. Okay, if it is not empty, then I'm going to just remove the topmost element. Okay, and in the end I will just return the elements from the stack. Okay, so here stack is empty, so we are returning empty string. But let's suppose in the end, if there are two characters, okay, Z and A, left in my stack. Okay, let's say, so what I'm going to do in that case, I'm just going to just pop these elements. Okay, and then just reverse them. Okay, and I'm just going to return. Okay, if let's suppose if this is my string. Okay, A, Z, C, B. Okay, 3 and B are going to cancel out each other. 4 and 6, C is going to cancel out each other, and in the end we have to left with A, Z. Okay, so we are just going to pop the elements and reverse them, and this is going to be output. That's it. Okay, so now let's write the code. So very easy. So just implement the stack, and we will be doing it in of and time complexity. Okay, so int n is equal to s dot length, create a stack of characters, stack character, and let's name it as stack only, a new stack. Okay, and now once this is done, then just run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and here just check if my stack is not empty. Okay, if stack is not empty, and there is character. Okay, there is digit. Okay, so character dot is digit. Okay, so this function is directly going to check if the character is digit. Okay, s dot char at this particular index. Okay, so if it is digit, then in that case only, and my stack is not empty. Okay, so in that case only it is just going to pop the element. Okay, stack dot pop. All right, and in the else part it is always going to insert. Okay, stack dot push, and here s dot char at that particular index I. That's it. Okay, now we have to just create one string builder. Okay, string builder sb is equal to new string builder. Okay, now just run one while loop, and here you can just mention while my stack is not empty. Okay, is not empty, then in that case you have to just pop the element. Okay, so sb dot append, and here you can just write stack dot pop. Okay, that's it, done. Okay, now here in the end you have to just reverse. Okay, sb dot simple function reverse. Okay, and here just change it to string. Okay, to string. That's it. Now let's run it. If there are any code issue, we'll try to fix that. So the test case has been accepted. Okay, so here this is going to take off and time complexity. Okay, of and time complexity. Then this stack dot pop and stack dot push. Okay, all this is going to be running of one time complexity. Okay, this is also going to be happening of one time complexity. So here of one. Okay, and here we are just emptying our stack. Okay, so let's suppose there are n elements, so this is going to take off n time complexity, and this reverse. Okay, this is also going to take off n time complexity. So of n for this particular part, of n, and here of n. So of n plus of n plus of n of 3n. Okay, and it is roughly equal to of n only. Okay, now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.